Hey, seventh grade. Today you're going to turn in your Scratch coding project. Hopefully you've had some good work on it, and hopefully you've made something really incredible. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Scratch account. Then you're going to go up and hit My Stuff. After you click on My Stuff, it will bring you to this page. In whichever project you've been working on, hopefully it's on the top, you're going to hit See Inside. And then it's going to bring you to your page that you can edit your project on. And hopefully you know this already because you've been working on it a lot throughout the past month or so. So when this pulls up, you're going to go ahead and click, oh dang, I already shared this one. Let me go back real quick. Okay, so let's try this one. So this is the project that you've been working on. So once you have it load, you're going to go up and hit share. After you hit share, it's going to bring you to this page. Go ahead and name it whatever you would like. You can name it 7th grade coding project. You can name it cat project. You can name it something based on what you have created, whatever you want to do. That's what you're going to name it. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll down. You're going to hit copy link. After you hit copy link, there will be two options. There will be a link option and an embed option. We're going to click on copy link, and it'll say copied. After you do that, you're going to go to your mail or your email. You're going to go compose. You are going to compose an email to me. Title it Scratch Coding Project. And then you're going to just paste the link. So you can either hit Control V or you can right click and paste the link. After you do that, you can just send it to me. If you want to add something else to it, you can. And I will receive it. And I will be able to click on your link and go and see your project. Let me know if you have any questions about submitting this or any questions about the project. I look forward to seeing what you have come up with.